Today we are seasoning our Miriam's Earthen cookware. To start, we're going to get the pots and the lids totally saturated with water. You want to get all the nooks and crannies, don't miss a spot, and then dry with a clean cotton towel. After that, we're just going to fill it up about a quarter of the way with water. And since we have an electric stove, we're using these heat diffusers to help distribute the heat evenly. We're going to let that water heat up before adding 1 tablespoon of flour for the smaller pots and 2 tablespoons of flour for the bigger pot. I know this sounds crazy, but bear with us here. We're going to be making a broth with this flour water mixture. So just put the lids on and then set a timer for about 25 to 30 minutes. We took the lids off when the timer was up, and you can see that this broth is nice and thick, which means it's ready to be rinsed off. We let them cool down a bit and then we headed back to the sink. That's really all it needs. You can use baking soda if you want, and then we just rubbed it dry with a clean cotton towel. You can store these in a sunny spot with the lids off. That's really important so moisture doesn't build up. So there you have it. That's how we season our earthenware pots, and they're a beautiful addition to the kitchen.